Hello everyone, myself Anugraha Ganesh from 1st MSc Physics, Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Legendre's equation. So let's begin. Given the differential equation 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y equal to 0, which is marked as equation number 1. So we have to find the solution for this equation. So we must consider y is equal to x raised to m into a0 plus a1 x raised to minus 1 plus a2 x raised to minus 2 plus etc. plus ar x raised to minus n minus 1. We have to find the first order. Dy by dx is equal to summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar m minus r into x raised to m minus r minus 1, which is equation number 2. Then we have to find the second order for this equation. D square y by dx square is equal to summation r equal to 0 to infinity into ar m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into x raised to m minus r minus 2, which is equation number 4. We have these three equations. Substituting 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1, we get 1 minus x square into summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar into m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into x raised to m minus r minus 2 minus 2x into summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar m minus r into x raised to m minus r minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 summation r is equal to 0 to infinity ar x raised to m minus r, which is equal to 0. Again, we are simplifying this equation and taking summation r equal to 0 to infinity into ar into x raised to m minus r outside as common term. We get summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into x raised to m minus r minus 2 plus n into n plus 1 minus m minus r into m minus r plus 1 into x raised to m minus r equal to 0, which is marked as equation number 6. Now equating to 0 the coefficient of x raised to m by substituting r equal to 0, we get a0 into n plus 1 minus m into m plus 1 equal to 0, which is equation number 7. From this, a0 cannot be 0 since it's the first term. So solving the next part, n into n plus 1 minus m into m plus 1 equal to 0, n square plus n minus m square minus m equal to 0. And so we have solved this equation and we get m is equal to n, m is equal to minus n plus 1, which is marked as equation 8. Equating the coefficients of x raised to m minus 1 by substituting r equal to 1, we get a1 into n plus 1 minus m minus 1 into m minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. We have a1 equal to 0 and n into n plus 1 minus m minus 1 into m is not equal to 0, which is marked as equation number 9. Again, equating the coefficients of x raised to m minus r minus 2 when r is equal to r plus 2. In equation 6, we get m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into ar plus n into n plus 1 minus m minus r minus 2 into m minus r minus 1 into ar plus 2 equal to 0, which is taken as equation 10. Now only considering the second part of this equation, we can solve this to minus m minus r plus n minus 1 into m minus r minus n minus 2. Substituting that part in equation 10, we have m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into ar minus m minus r plus n plus 1 into m minus r minus n minus 2 into ar plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to take ar plus 2 to the left hand side. So we have ar plus 2 is equal to m minus r into m minus r minus 1 into ar divided by m minus r plus n plus 1 into m minus r minus n minus 2, which is taken as equation 11. We have a1, a3, a5, a7 equal to 0. Next, considering the case 1 when m is equal to n, we can write ar plus 2 as n minus r into n minus r minus 1 divided by 2 n minus r minus 1 into r plus 2 into ar. We have to find a2 and a4. So we can write a2 when r is equal to 0. So a2 is equal to minus n into n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 into 2 into a0. So when r is equal to 2, we have a4 as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 2 into 4. Then we are substituting the values of a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, etc. in equation y. Since we have a1, a3, a5, a7 equal to 0, we can substitute the values only for a2 and a4. We will get y as y is equal to a0 into x raised to n minus n into n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 into 2 into x raised to n minus 2 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 2 into 4 into x raised to n minus 4 plus etc. This is the equation for y. I hope you have understood the topic that we have discussed today, that is the legendaries equation. Thank you.